Now I'm going to start floor installation. It's vinyl click system, planks, vinyl planks with underlayment. This is very good underlayment for sound protection, 73%. So very good. How start? Sometimes, always people ask from which wall I have to start. For example, here is living room, and there is kitchen, hallway, two closets, master bedroom, washroom. Here is for a washer and dryer place, hallway, closet for master bedroom and master bedroom. So many things. So how to start? I would start from this wall. Why? Because if we start, so we have two locks. This is lock small, this is big lock. So if we start from this wall, we can go all the way with easy installation, because we have big lock here. Just in kitchen a little bit, and maybe somewhere a little bit, but it's not much. If we start, for example, from this wall, we have to go with big side lock to this side and with small to another side. So for me, doesn't matter. I'm doing this floor already so long, and I can do it. But some people who is doing it for the first time, it's very big trouble. And I would recommend to start from one side of the wall. So this wall is the most bigger wall, and going all the way to other rooms. So first of all, we have to lay underlayment. So let's go. Okay, we can take this underlayment and roll it all the way. Then just push it down here and cut it. So we have exactly size what we need. Then we have to slide this underlayment back to the wall. But we have fireplace here. So what we can do? Just need to cut from this side. Just take measure from the wall to this edge, 16.5. So we have to measure 16.5 and got it, 16.5. Let's measure another side. 16.5. We can have another side. So now we need to leave the side up. And slide this underlayment in. Okay. Next step, so save this piece, maybe we can use it in a closet or somewhere. Take another roll, put it close to the wall, and then roll it to another wall. And tape it together. Here is need only good sound protection. So now it's ready. So next step, need to start line, not from exactly from the wall. I have to start parallel with fireplace, and then put board on the back side. So if you remember my previous video, I showed you. So we have to pre-cut few boards. Why? Because all boards is same length. So before we start cut the boards, I'll tell you what kind of stuff, what kind of tools I want to use. So extension cords, sometimes needed, sometimes don't need it. Laminate cutter, ear muffs, gloves. It's 100% you have to use because you have to protect your eyes. So here is jigsaw, Roxwell. This is very good. So if you use a saw, you don't need a table saw for cut, board. And this is Fan Multimaster oscillation tools. You can use any oscillation tools. This tool I like because it's very durable. I use it for undercut door jump. So here is some hammer, glue, many things. So, but it's main tools. So, okay, now we have to pre-cut boards. For start, we need 4 boards. So, first board should be full board. Okay, this is full. We can start full board. And 3 boards, it should be, another 3 boards should be 3 different lengths. So another board should be half. Another board, it should be 25%. So if you divide 4, it's like this. And one more board, it should be 75%. So one like this. Now we have 4 different lengths. Okay, 4 different lengths. In internet, many kind of installation they doing just like this. It's easy, but it's not beauty. So what I would recommend you. So first board First board should be full board. And then, next, it should be horizontal half. Next, так, интересно. Okay. Next board, it should be 75%. And another one is 25. This is beauty of installation. So move floor close to the wall and leave 1/4 gap. So where can we take spacer? Spacers very easy to make from this floor. So floor is 1/4 inch, maybe 3/8, it's good enough. Just so this is spacer. Okay. And just two spacer, 1, 2, and 3, and move close to the spacer. That's it. I use always parts from the floor. So this is with big lock. I can put it from this side and just here is little gap and settle. Easy. When you knocking the floor with block, easy to use metal hammer. But if you work over the floor, use rubber hammer. Put it to the lock. Make it tight as much as you can. Okay. Another board. As much as you can tight. And have a look on this pattern, if it's visible for you. So this one connection, and here is another connection, another one, and here. It's not going like stairs, it's going, you know, with fine, how to say, profile. It looks very, very good. If you're doing like this, you professional, okay? So now we come close to the wall. Another side. So if you remember when we cut boards, so it's too short. We have some leftover, too short. The boards going this way. This is bigger lock, this is small. So how to measure? You put it like this and then flip it. Attach to the wall. And we have here is quarter. Just by this edge of lock, make mark and cut with laminate cutter. And then put it. So we have few different style of vinyl floor and laminate floor with locks. So some just floor, you just lock it and that's it. You don't need to use hammer. But this is special made for make it nice and tight. So you need to use hammer. Make sure all locks is on own place. So need to finish this part. If you remember, just take the piece. It should be, this lock should be to the front. Just turn, attach, and mark the end of the lock. Here's so here's a very small piece. Okay, I did this full line for 4 boards wide. So now I wanna put tape for secure these boards and slide close to the fireplace. There is fireplace. Okay. Why I start so far? Because it's easy to do it. Installation. If you remember, I put spacer here. Spacers 1, 2, 3. So take this off, and we can start slide this line in. Okay. Just slightly one side and then push another side. You just one. Another one. So now it's set up. Just don't forget put spacers. Just slide it and baby, I just hold it. Same for here. Another side. Now we set up the floor and we can start next line installation. We stop here. Here is 25, 75. So usually need to install something on the middle, like half, or we can put full board. So we can put full board here. Then we can put, this is more than half, and then this short piece, it's after two boards, it's good. This, and last one, it should be this almost full board. It's short, for maybe we cut there 2 inches or maybe 3 inches. It's just a little short, then full. It's gonna be like this. So okay, I'll open the box and we can start installation. No.